So Karatbars Internationals and Karatgold coin. Is this just BitConnect with a gold component? Or is there more to it? So truth be told, when I first came across this project being shared in crypto social media, I just wrote it off and ignored it as another shady project out of all the ones out there. But after seeing this for a while, we finally decided to do a deep dive into this project. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, what they're about, some red flags, and our final opinion. So if you're curious, do nothing more but sit back, relax, and just keep on watching. Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from Bitcoin for Beginners, and welcome to this CryptoCanary Spotlight series. So in this series, we're going to be taking a look at projects that may be shady and do a deep dive into them and share with you our findings. And we'll also write our findings on our new project, CryptoCanary.app. You can visit it here. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below as well. But also, besides just us writing on it, you should go there too to share your opinions and share your knowledge about good projects and bad projects to help people make a more informed decision. It could save your aunt and uncle or mom and pops from falling for crypto scams. Also, just a quick shout out to Adrian, our Bitcoin for Beginners teammate, for doing the research for this topic. Also, please like and subscribe if you want to follow along for the series and support us as well. So, starting from the top, the parent company above all of this is called Karatbars Internationals. They're a German company from Stuttgart, founded in 2011, so quite a while now, and they also have a Singaporean office. They sell gold products, and you can buy these online and they'll ship it to you. According to the website, the gold is produced and sourced from Turkey. And this is an existing company that sold gold before getting into crypto, which was as of 2018. And so the company's vision is as follows. They say the same thing as a lot of gold bugs do, that fiat currency-based money system is flawed and has been so since the gold standard ended. And so if the financial system were to collapse one day, gold will be the replacement currency. And hence it's good to own gold. That's their conclusion. And so Karatbars wants people to buy their card and cash gold products. These are easily exchangeable, small pieces of pure gold that will be more transaction friendly if fiat ever collapses. And they expect gold to be a good investment regardless, and say that investments would benefit if gold price appreciates. And so they do have some public figures behind this company. It's not like BitConnect where everything is anonymous. CEO Harold Sides appears on stage often and in promotional videos, and he's promoted and painted as their visionary and prominent leader. They do a lot of interview style videos that make it seem like the media is interested in Karatbars. For example, the New York Stock Exchange in the background of the video, even though the company has nothing to do with Wall Street at all. He also has his own Wikipedia page, mostly covering his 5 books. 2 of his books being sold on Amazon. And those are The Future of Money and Think Big. Here's the Wikipedia page just to show you a screenshot, Harold Sides. You could do your own search and read it. And also here are his 2 Amazon books. One is about kind of the role of gold and money system, and the other one about general entrepreneurship. Here are the 2 gold products they mainly sell. One is the mini gold bar cards, starting from 1 gram of pure gold in card format. This is on the top of the slide, and the bars are embedded in the cards, as you can see. The second one below is cash gold from 0.1 gram, and this is banknote-like papers with tiny gold bars embedded. So 2 different kinds of gold products. From the customer point of view, these mini gold pieces are sold at a 20 to 30% premium from the same quantity of gold elsewhere on the market. So the premium makes it potentially not the best starting point as an investment. But then again, you could argue that these small quantities make it more accessible to people. Also practical if the monetary system collapses like they say it will and fiat ever disappears. But overpriced or not, this is a real product that you do receive after paying for it. And so it's not a scam in the purest sense of the word. They also have an affiliate program. You can open up a free account to participate in this program, and it's the business opportunity for you to sell Karatbars products for a small commission. But the products are expensive and you get low commission, so it's really hard to succeed and use this as a real business opportunity. It seems like this is only there as a free alternative to their real objective, which is to get people into their paid business objective, which is to build a team. More on this next. Still, up until this point, everything seems legit and checks out. So now let's dive into a lot of the different red flags that we saw during the research. Red flag number 1, an MLM structure. And this is the business model where they sell products through multi-level marketing, and they did this even before crypto became part of their offering. In our opinion, any company that has a mix of crypto and MLM is a big red flag. And we're not just saying this out of the blue. This is based on history, and the number of companies that have utilized both of these components and have ended up exit scamming or collapsing. And so the company tries very hard to downplay this MLM structure and makes it really convoluted to find out how exactly it works. But their compensation plan includes building a team by recruiting people who will then recruit more people. Classic MLM. And by doing so, they'll get different bonus levels. Here's the MLM structure, screenshot from their promotional material, and you can see the structure here with the matching bonuses and the different levels. Also, it's important to talk about the pre-crypto phase packages because, like I said, they've been going on for a long time even before crypto became part of their offering. And so their real or paid business opportunity involves pay to play in order to access it. And this is a really visible pyramid scheme. And so pre-crypto, the different business packages that you could buy were priced as follows. And I'm not going to read them all out, but there's bronze, silver, gold, and VIP. And since crypto was introduced, these have changed. And as you can see, these are really high prices that you have to pay for these different levels. And so if you take a look and analyze the prices, 10% of what you're paying goes to the real product, while 90% is for the privilege to recruit and earn higher commissions. Definitely pyramid-like. Red flag number 2 is regulator warnings. From all around the world, 2014, Canadian Financial Authority AMF issued a public warning about Karatbars International. They say, quote, affiliates are lured by the possibility of earning large payouts from the Karatbars plans and gold products purchased by referrals. If you believe you have been defrauded by an investment in Karatbars, we urge you to contact the AMF. In 2016, it was convicted in an AMF court trial and was fined. The Dutch AFM also issued a warning about Karatbars. Also, the Bank of Namibia also labeled Karatbars as a pyramid scheme in 2019, which is illegal in Namibia. And they write, Karatbars business practice is not sustainable without the continuous recruitment of new participants who are eligible to pay a joining fee. So that's not just us saying it's a pyramid scheme. Regulators around the world think so as well. Red flag number 3, their crypto bank. And in a Medium article in June of 2018, they announced the KC Bank, which is, quote, the world's first licensed cryptocurrency bank, to be opened in July of 2018 in Miami, Florida. This was also written about in the white paper, and yet so far it's been over a year from then, this bank doesn't seem to exist yet. Recent materials say that it's now due September and October of 2019. We'll see if that's the case. On the right hand side of the slide, you can see the Medium article and white paper notes saying exactly what we noted. Now let's touch on their foray into crypto, which was more recent than their gold products. And this is the KBC coin. Initially the Karat Bank coin, later renamed the Karatgold coin, ticker symbol KBC. It's an ERC20 token, and the white paper promises its own mainnet one day. The ICO was offered in 2018 for existing MLM affiliates, and the affiliate commissions were oddly only one level deep for this ICO. 12 billion KBC were issued with the promises of gold backing for them. But the issuer of KBC and operating the KBC ecosystem is a totally separate entity called the Karatbit Foundation in Belize. Karatbar Internationals, which sells the gold product, and the other one, Karatbit Foundations, which is the coin, are totally separate, and Karatbit is not regulated. This means that it could be very difficult legally to enforce the gold backing. Red flag number 4 is their white paper claims. It starts off with 2 bold claims about KBC. One that is actually backed by safely stored actual gold, and 2 is that the price can never plummet. And 3 is that the certain amount of KBC can be exchanged for certain cash gold products. Further along the white paper though, it says the following, that it involves a high level of risk, KBC is not tied to the purchase of cash gold products, and the value of KBC is not related to cash gold, and that a total loss of money invested in KBC can't be excluded. So which is it, their extravagant claims at the beginning, or their more tempered claims at the end? Here's just a screenshot, I'm not going to read through all of it, of their white paper, and you can see all the different contradictions that we just mentioned. Red flag number 5 is price predictions. Blatant price predictions is super shady for any project in the space, or it's just in the world in general. They say the value is expected to rise sharply, and that forecasts predict a further price increase of up to $10 per coin. That never came to be, obviously. The current price is less than 5 cents. Besides its gold-backed claims being contradictory, they also state that KBC has nothing to do with any company, shared profits, dividends, or interest. So without any gold backing, you have to wonder, is this just another worthless ERC20 token? Red flag number 6, a very deceptive Binance listing. KBC can be traded on a variety of small and shady exchanges. The most notable and prominent one is HitBTC. Now, they also put out a very deceptive statement about a Binance listing. You can look at the screenshot of the white paper, but they're not actually traded on Binance, just on the Binance info page, which offers information about various projects. Very misleading to customers. Red flag number 7, their promises of Mainnet. Their revolutionary KBC protocol, or the Mainnet, was scheduled for the beginning of 2019. So far, nothing yet, now moved to September. The white paper doesn't explain anything about this protocol nor why it is revolutionary. Also, the low amount of activity on GitHub does not spark a lot of confidence in us that anything is actually being developed. Here's a screenshot of the GitHub Karatgold page with little to none contributions at all. Red flag number 8, a hyped Gold Day debacle. The 4th of July Gold Independence Day event, they heavily hyped this. The announcement was that KBC would be exchangeable, 100 KBC for 1 gram of gold, but on that day, nobody was able to make the exchange. A few days later, an executive backtracked and said that this could only be done with Karatbars soon-to-be launched gold ATMs and that KYC would be necessary to combat scammers. After that, the CEO also announced that KBC would not have any business until October. And so before this Gold Day debacle, the price rose and then crashed after it didn't happen. And so the price from 2018 lows was about 1 cent to 12 cents on July 3rd, 2019, just before the Gold Day was about to go down. And then since then, it has rapidly declined 80% to a low of about 2 cents. From perspective, 1 gram of gold, the spot price, would be $45, which means at the highest KBC price of 12 cents, KBC holders should receive $45 worth of golds for $12 worth of KBC. And the CEO has not kept his promise yet. By looking at the math of this, is this even sustainable? Probably not. So you have to ask the question, will he keep his promises? The price drop for KBC also seems to reflect that the investors don't have confidence in this happening. And here's a picture of CoinMarketCap and their Karatgold coin price dropping in July rapidly after the debacle. Red flag number 9, a mysterious second coin in this ecosystem that we really don't know much about. Now in the business packages, when you take a look, they also receive a second coin, KCB. And the function and difference to KBC is very unclear. It's not listed, so the price is whatever the company says it is. They also have a claim of gold backing. You have to note that the mainnet launch, apparently KBC and KCB, will be forked into one new coin. More bold claims include distributing cash gold ATMs all over the world. They posted a picture of these ATMs at HQ, that they're also going to release a blockchain-based smartphone. The KC Bank is still going to happen, as well as the KBC mainnet protocol. They claim to own a gold mine, at least in a joint venture in Madagascar. And also, according to all the announcements, this is all going to happen in September now. We're skeptical about the delays and promises for many reasons, as you can tell. So what is our final opinion? Well, there's too many red flags and too good to be true claims, so we're super suspicious. Of course, this is our own opinion based on information we researched, so you can come to your own conclusion. As always, we're not saying this is a straight up scam. We, however, have little confidence in this company being legit and able to deliver on all its promises. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? I hope you enjoyed this deep dive. After all, you may have seen this Karatbars International project and have taken a look before. This is Kevin. Thank you, Adrian, for this research. As always, give us a smash on the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you guys next time.